Looking for the best telescopes to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Sky-Watcher Skyman 180 Pro. The Sky-Watcher Skymax 180 Pro is an excellent telescope for anyone interested in photographing the planets and the moon. Its long focal length makes it perfect for capturing detailed images of objects in our solar system. With its Maxitov Cassegrain design, this telescope delivers sharp, high-clarity views. You can clearly see the moon's craters, the cloud bands and belts on Jupiter, and even the dust storms that move across the surface of Mars. It also allows astrophotographers to spot the famous Cassini division in Saturn's rings. Although it's best known for planetary and lunar imaging, the Skymax 180 Pro can also provide decent views of some bright nebulae and galaxies. Number 2. Celest Ron Inspire 100AZ. The Celest Ron Inspire 100AZ is our recommended telescope. For the ultimate beginner or for those on a tight budget, given the complete package which features a 10mm and 20mm eyepiece, erect image star diagonal, accessory tray, smartphone adapter, Star Night software, a red LED flashlight for preserving night vision, and a Star Pointer Pro Red Viewfinder scope, you truly get more bang for your buck with the Inspire series of telescopes. Though its mount is a basic undriven alt-azimuth design, it will still enable you to get some impressive images of the lunar surface, which is by far the best initial target to try photographing. As with the majority of instruments, the Inspire 100 AZ optics are multi-coated, providing good clarity for the low price tag. Color fringing is visible in images, but this is to be expected through the optical system of a budget telescope. The integrated smartphone adapter means you can mount your phone to the eyepiece to take photos. Number 3. Celest Ron Star Sense Explorer DX130A. The largest of Electron's Star Sense Explorer range, the Celest Ron Star Sense Explorer DX30A offers a very good aperture size and a selection of accessories, including 2 eyepieces, a star diagonal, Star Pointer Red Dot Finder, an alt-azimuth mount, a tripod, a smartphone dock and an accessory tray. Setup is a simple process that takes no more than about 15 to 20 minutes, and it all comes in at a very reasonable cost. This telescope is fast due to its focal ratio and 650mm focal length, that makes it better suited to low-power views of the night sky. The StarSense app is packed with planets, stars, nebulae and galaxies to explore, so if you don't know what to observe on your first night, there are plenty of recommendations. The app also makes short work of aligning the telescope, working accurately and offering plenty of guidance to ensure that the Sky-Watcher is imaging and observing within minutes. Number 4. Uninstaller Equinox 2. The EV scope Equinox 2 is not perfect, but compared to your average small reflector telescope, the view use this smart telescope affords of deep sky objects are astounding, with resolution increasing via firmware updates. The already very clever algorithms inside the EV scope's onboard computer will only get better, add an intriguing community dimension for crowdsourcing observations, and the admittedly very expensive EV scope Equinox seems a next-generation smart telescope with a very bright future. The EV scope Equinox 2, which arrives with a photographic style adjustable tripod, has some impressive light gathering abilities. Though its core optics are average compared to traditional backyard telescopes, its sensors, circuitry and algorithms are unique. Small telescopes only impress with planets and the moon, but the EV scope Equinox goes for the celestial jugular by concentrating solely on galaxies and other previously unobtainable objects in the deep sky, bringing deep space observation to the masses. Number 5. vespera 2. The vespera 2 smart telescope is quite unlike any traditional telescope you may have come across. Conventionally, telescopes make use of a finder scope and eyepieces. The futuristic Vespera 2 has no need for these. With all of its optical and imaging prowess packed inside a futuristic design, the smartphone control means no more hunting for your accessories in the dark. Although this smart piece of kit will row in your night vision, given that a smartphone with the downloadable Singularity app is used to control navigation of the night sky as well as serving as your field of view. Granted, this is a minor trade-off, given that the wireless functionality means that you can observe from the comfort of your home and with up to 10 other astronomers. The Vian features an 8-megapixel Sony CMOS sensor, making it capable of producing 24-megapixel images using its high-resolution live mosaic stitching mode. Image formats are in JPEG, TIFF or FITS, with the telescope offering 25 gigabytes of Built-in storage, deep sky objects are a joy to image through the 50mm aperture. This telescope is better suited to images of deep space than of our own planets, but can provide great detail when observing the moon.